The second type of boundary is what I call rails. If you think about it, rails are the systems and guides that put you into place, that bring you to your desired outcome. Basically, they don't allow you to veer off the intended path. With a train, you can always know with 100% certainty where that train is ultimately going to arrive, because all you have to do is follow the rails. The rails will show you exactly where that train is going to head. In much the same way, in this program, I'm going to teach you how to lay down the rails so that as you go through your day and your week and your month, you're ending up exactly where you intended to be to begin with. What most people do is that they don't have rails at all. They basically jump into a car with no map and they just start driving in a random direction. Then they wonder why they ended up actually further away from the destination as opposed to arriving there at all. Those are the two types of boundaries I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this program: the firewalls and the rails. The key here is to implement boundaries that don't rely on your willpower, because as we've talked about in the last session, willpower is a very bad plan for success. The clearer the lines of your boundaries are, the more effective you are going to become with your time. Boundaries are again one of the critical secrets as one of the three foundational elements of becoming productive. As we work through the next several modules, you are going to be laying down very simple boundaries that actually make you more productive, because they automatically move you to where you want to go. They automatically eliminate and reduce the distraction and noise that normally keeps you away from getting more done. When you look at the last two sessions that we just did and you add it to this one, the power of clarity, decisions and boundaries are really the magical formula to becoming more productive. Throughout this program, I will be showing you the specific boundaries you can implement to protect your time. When you do this properly, the results are absolutely a game changer. You will be stunned at how much more productive you become. The flip side of that is if you do this incorrectly, you can actually make things even worse than they already are. That's why most people fail when it comes to creating productivity systems for themselves, because they do it in the wrong way. You are not going to fall victim to that. Now what I want you to do is it's time for you to move into the next action steps in this module. What I want you to do there is one more session that we are going to share together before we wrap up, and I want to do with that now. Please move on to the final session and I will see you there.